Hey, I'm a sloth. Yeah. I'm so lazy that I don't even open my mouth when I talk. That's how lazy I am. I know. Yeah. But if you're thinking, sloths can't talk, is that true? Or is that a limiting belief? Hmm. What other limiting beliefs do you have, I wonder? Which of these resonate the most with you? Ever feel like you're not enough, not good enough, smart enough, creative enough, not worthy of success or abundance? You're not likable or lovable. You're not ready. You can't trust yourself or others. You don't have enough time. You're not supported. You don't belong. Success, it's easy for others, but not you. It's exhausting, isn't it? Yeah. And the truth is, things like self doubt and overwhelm and anxiety and behaviors like procrastination and people pleasing and perfectionism, like all of that can be fueled by limiting beliefs. So, how would you like to get rid of them for good? Yeah, but not in a difficult way. I'm a sloth. Okay. I'm too lazy to do things the hard way. Let's keep it simple. All right. Limiting beliefs make everything harder. They create more worry, more work. And I can't express this enough. I'm a sloth. And so it's just not my style. And if you want to ditch your limiting beliefs with ease, then click on the link provided. All right. I'd point to it right now, but I'm lazy. And what you have to gain is self confidence, self belief, self trust, self worth. So much, so much. And as a coach, many moments of doubt can pop up. And we want you to win those moments with ease. And what do I know about ease? I'm a freaking sloth. I know how to do everything with as little energy expended as possible. All right. So come see me in the free limiting beliefs workshop this week. Two choices: April 19th, or if you're slow getting to places like me, then April 22nd is going to work for you just nicely, won't it? All right. Click on that link. Space is limited, though. So don't be sloth like when it comes to registering. Okay. Um, Anything else you want me to add? No, I think you actually did really, really great. Yeah. I was confident that I would. You know why? Because you released your limiting beliefs. Because I released my limiting beliefs. Oh, he knew the answer because he's the one who helped me do that. That's not fair. He knew the answer. Yeah. And let me just say this. Okay. Let me just finish by saying this. As a sloth, the only thing I have ever done fast in my entire life is release limiting beliefs. And you can too. Just come join the workshop, okay? I'll see you there.